I'm Ari from ClearWaterKids Challenge, and today I'm excited to show you a Boredom Buster that's a tasty treat for some of our feathered friends. Today, in this video, I will be making a pine cone bird feeder. So, let's get started! For this pine cone bird feeder, you will need some pine cones, some coconut oil, some string, and some birdseed. Now, let's roll up our sleeves and begin. Firstly, grab some coconut oil and make sure to grab a lot because you will definitely need it for step 2. So, lather it in your hands and make sure it kind of dissolves a lot. Now, grab at least 2 pine cones and rub them in the coconut oil. Now, take your already lathered pine cones and roll them in the birdseed. Make sure to get a lot of birdseed on them, because you want to feed the birds a lot. Boy oh boy, the birds are gonna have a feast tonight. Now, the final step is take some of your string, cut it, and tie it around the pine cones or the bird feeders. Now, once you're done that, hang it on a tree somewhere near you. See how many birds come to it and eat. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget, you can stream tons of amazing shows, including ClearWaterKids Challenge, for free on the Shaftesbury Kids YouTube channel.